multiplying two-digit number by two-digit number. So look, this is the two-digit number and this is another two-digit number we need to multiply. So at first write the first number 34 here, and then you need to write the second number. So here ones place is 5, here ones place is 4, so write just under it. Here tens place is 1 and here 3, so 1 will be below the tens. Now you need to multiply this top number by this 5 and this top number by this 1. So let us first multiply this top number by 5. 5 times 4 equal to what? Look, you can easily find out 5 times 4 equal to what. That is why at first you need to write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You need to find out the multiplication table of 5. So you note that 5 times 1 equal to 5. 5 times 2 will be just add 5 with this 5, that is 10. 5 times 3 will be just add 5 with this 10, that is 15. Then 5 times 4 just add 5 with this 15, 20. That is 5 times 4 equal to 20. So write 0 here and carry over 2. 5 times 3 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17, right? Now look, you have done with 5. Now you need to multiply this whole number by 1. So 1 is the place of 1 is tens place. So before starting by multiplying 1, you need to block your ones place, since this is tens place. So 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 3, 3. Now you need to add this two result: 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 4, 11. So write 1 and carry over 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So 510 is the answer. So this is how you can multiply two-digit number by two-digit number. Let us consider this example: 45 and then 12. So look, multiply these 2 by 5. 2 times 5, 10. Write 0, carry over 1. 2 times 4, 8, plus 1, 9. Then then you need to multiply by this 1. So you need to block this ones place. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 4, 4. So now at 0, then 9 plus 5 equal to what? 14. Write 4, carry over 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 540 is the answer.